There are lots of applications within Office 365, and more are being added all the time. Let's take a look at an overview of each one. Mail is where you access your email. It has great tools, and one of our favourites is Focused Inbox, which helps you focus on the emails that matter to you most. This is great if you know that certain emails rank higher in importance than others. The rest of your emails remain easily accessible in the Other tab, and you can switch between the two at the click of a button. The collaboration between Office and Outlook is seamless. You can edit Office files directly from your inbox and attach files from OneDrive, SharePoint, Google Drive, Dropbox and Box. Sharing documents couldn't be any easier. Office 365 syncs your calendar, emails and contacts across every device you're signed into. The syncing between devices is live, which means it's always up to date no matter where you are or what you're doing. You can share your calendar with other people, which is great if you work in a team and need to see when people are free. Check out our YouTube tutorial on using your calendar effectively for tips on getting the most out of it. People is where your contacts are stored. It is linked to your Outlook and calendar. It gives you a list of people you frequently contact and a list of people you have on your calendar for that particular day. Within People, there is a section called People You May Want to Follow Up With. This is a nudge to show you the emails you have not yet responded to. You can pin sections that you think will be most useful to the top of your page. You can also add groups within the application which will sync up with your Outlook. Yama is a private social network to help businesses like you have open conversations, create groups and view conversation threads. Members can get up to speed on projects, participate in threaded discussions and have conversations. The overall look of Yama is very similar to the social media platforms you use. You can post and others will have the option to like, reply or share. It's an efficient, practical and friendly way to communicate with your colleagues in the organisation. OneDrive is a cloud-based storage platform where you can sync, store and share files and access them from any device. You can add files by simply dragging and dropping them into your OneDrive. And you can organise them within folders so that the documents are easily accessible. All the files you upload to OneDrive are private, unless you decide to share them. You can sync your OneDrive to your PC, so that you can access your files whilst you're offline. Once you've done this, any changes you make to the file whilst you're offline will automatically be carried across to OneDrive. Think of SharePoint as an intranet for your organisation. You can store, organise, share and access information from any device you sign into. It's a great way to create interactive lists. For example, a list of suppliers, customers or anything else you may find useful. It's a brilliant way for everyone in your team to keep tabs on important information. And because SharePoint is also synced with Outlook, Calendar and the Office applications, it means you can view meetings, emails and open Word, Excel and PowerPoint documents. You can also upload files to SharePoint for other people in the organisation to see. Planner is a great tool that offers you a simple and visually effective way of organising your teamwork. You can organise and assign tasks, share files, chat about projects and show their progress. Each task, or card as they're referred to, can have deadlines, files or pictures attached to them from either SharePoint or OneDrive. They can also have conversations pinned to them. Planner will link up to all the applications in Office 365 that you use. You can view all of the conversations in Outlook and you even have access to your calendar. Tasks is linked to your Outlook and it will show you all of your flagged emails. You can go into your Outlook and add tasks which will automatically sync to the application tasks. You can see the status of the task, the date completed, reminders and many other useful settings. The tasks that are overdue will turn red and to remove the task simply unflag the email. You can also assign tasks to other people. You can use Delve to manage your Office 365 profile and to discover and organise the things that are most interesting or important to you. A useful feature is that it shows you a list of recent files. This makes it easier to locate things you've been working on. You can also favourite particular documents that you know have importance to you. If you're looking for a particular document, you can use the search by typing in a keyword, date or title. It not only scans the titles of the document, but also pulls out the relevant words within the body of the content. This is very useful if you can't remember the title of the document you're looking for, but you know the contents of it. You can also see what your team members have recently been working on. Simply click on their photo or name to be taken to their profile. Video is now one of the most powerful forms of communication, and it's a great way to keep people within your organisation engaged and informed. Think of the video app as an internal YouTube. You can upload content by dragging and dropping files from any device. You can also create channels, which is a useful way of organising the content into subjects, departments, or teams. The whole process is encrypted, which means your content is private and secure within your organisation. Office 365 provides you with the most up-to-date webmail version of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The interface of each of the Office applications looks very similar to the desktop applications. The only difference is that they're slightly lighter versions and you edit them in your browser. When you save a Word document, presentation, or Excel file, it will be saved to your SharePoint rather than your PC. OneNote is your digital notebook. It's a brilliant way of keeping you organised. You can arrange meeting notes, client files, and keep an ongoing to-do list. It automatically syncs with the desktop and mobile versions too, which means you can use it whenever and wherever, and the content is always up to date. Its searchability is a key feature. You can look for a keyword and it will pull every document, picture, or link that contains that text. You can also share your notebook, or certain pages within your notebook, which makes collaborative working really easy. To see how you can make OneNote really work for you, take a look at our OneNote training videos on our YouTube channel. Sway is a digital storytelling tool that gives you and your team the freedom to express ideas using visually pleasing interactive templates. It's a bit like a modern-day PowerPoint with more creative flair. It helps you effortlessly create professionally designed blog posts, presentations, and newsletters, and it's perfect if you're pitching an idea to a client. You're free to share anything you create in Sway, whether it's internally to your colleagues or externally to clients and customers, simply by sending a link. Power Apps offers an innovative way of working that allows you to create apps to connect your systems and create new data. You can build apps without writing code, which can be shared with team members and accessed at any time on any device. Power Apps allow you to do more with your data. Team members can change, access, and comment on data and information, and it's a brilliant way to keep track of current projects. Forms allows you to create surveys, polls, and quizzes, and easily see the results when they come in. The simple interface is easy to understand and easy to edit. You can quickly create a form or a quiz and personalize it with an icon and background image. You can share your quiz or form with other people and invite them to respond to it. When the results have been submitted, you can easily access them and use the built-in analytics to evaluate the responses. Flow helps you automate the data from your applications and save them to your SharePoint. It's a great way for you to capture useful data within your organisation. For example, your marketing team could create a flow, so every time your company is mentioned on Twitter, it gets recorded in an Excel document and saved to SharePoint. They could then create another flow to automate this spreadsheet being emailed to everyone in the company at the end of the month. There are so many things you can do with this app. We definitely recommend you having a play around with it and finding ways to automate the flow of your data. You can use Stream to upload videos, create channels, and browse trending content within your organisation. The difference between Stream and video is that Stream is available as a desktop application for businesses, regardless of whether or not they have Office 365. Stream makes collaboration within your team easy. It's simple to upload, share, and view videos inside other Office 365 apps, which means that you don't even need to change your way of working. You can also follow useful channels. This is a good way of keeping up with the latest industry trends and building your Stream community. Tings is a very modern way of working that helps to bring everything together across Office 365 and keep it organised. It's a well-organised instant messaging service which enables you to send files, meeting requests, and organise them into different groups. Teams is a useful way to keep up to date with progress on projects. Each member of the team can add their own comments and feedback, and you can see a continuous stream of dialogue in relation to that particular topic, rather than needing to search for multiple emails in your inbox. Dynamics 365 is a cloud service that acts as a CRM, with specific purpose built-in apps for each of your key business functions, such as sales, finance, and customer service. It's important to note here that you would need to have it customised to match your business processes. The interface is very easy to navigate, and the homepage shows each of your applications as tiles, so you can easily click through them. There are built-in modules for sales, marketing, field services, project service, customer service, operations and finance, with fluid navigation between them all, allowing for easy organisation. Power BI is a dashboard for your business. It can pull and display data across Office 365 and external apps, and allow you to view your business analytics. Anyone within your organisation can visualise and analyse data quickly and with ease. And because Power BI operates with real-time streaming, it means the data you're looking at is always up to date. At management level, this is a brilliant tool to see how things are performing across the board. As you can see, Office 365 has a lot to offer and is designed to encourage collaborative working and make your work life easier. We hope you found this useful. For more videos on the individual applications within Office 365, take a look at the tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.